Then don't forget the washer. As you can see, there is small plastic washer. Make sure the cover set is aligned with your windshield, otherwise it might rattle. Learning from experience, make sure the gap is tight enough. The shortest screw is for the top one, and another 4 that long is on the bottom. So if you some kind of damage it, you will pay a hefty price for the damper and the bolt and the washer. So you need to be careful with that. Just screw it good enough, don't overtop or overscrew it. So to see what I'm talking about, you see how this damper and the bolt, they are supposed to flush, you know, because the more you tighten it, the more this damper will go in. So if you over tight this damper, this rubber piece will crush and it's gonna be broken. And make sure you align this, because previously I do not align this, so my windshield became rattle. So if everything, the fit and finish looks good, you know, especially the bottom one, give a bit of, you know, a bit of a shake test to ensure everything is correct, in order. Same with this two bolt. Obviously you can see this, so you just need to feel. But for these two bolt, you need to find a perfect, you know, it's kind of like flush when you screw it down. So I think that's it.